A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. Guys, like this video. I don't want a typical video. I don't want I don't want if I want in a depression or no sad. The election result is not what I want here, and me soon call me and send me all type of message and who are going, oh, this, we are going to lose this. Why? I can't say nothing. I just wish you the best. I want to stay strong and, after a storm, put it in a comment. It must be our. I don't know the next part, so I want to put it in a comment. After a storm, it must be a. Alright, so anyway, I have some reaction video we may go post via by TikTok. Alright, so Jamaicans unite plus persons in America where them say why she lose and how them choose to vote and I'm going to come back in the MIXUP video and give my 2 cents and them thing there. But, this is the final video pertaining to that election thing. So, I know a lot of you can relate. Put it in a chat and make we drive. Like if you like the video for me and make we listen.
So, no really feel say I send them out for you? Come here, make we reason. Because I know say over Mexico get because the wall start a morning, Right, even make no sense them go over. All if the wall not start a morning, it never make sense them go over neither. Because if you go over a trade for a flight, you come home. Them can't process you. The wall start a morning. That's only way you say you don't think. Me say the war start a morning. Me say guys, one piece of pasta. Me say guys. Me say Donald Trump win the election. Everybody patrol have to come home. Jesus Christ, me say guys. Hey. One piece of pasta. You know say, me not tell you that. Every day me tell you this. Who dead already most glad say them dead for true. Who did already have a glad say them dead? Don't see a while ago. I mean alone feel afraid. Me not telling them I feel afraid for true. Earth a run one way, nothing not go good. He might finish the fence. You look for this bad patrol them soon and work. He might just finish the fence and lock down this. So nobody not process, nobody not come through. Earth a run red, man. Not true, God, we have to say for true, but I'm afraid. All my baby Father Jesus Christ. Father God, cover who dead already. But all who left over Mexico have to go home. It's serious for true. Me I tell you about the woman. It's where when I go to Mexico, one girl in my community, me and her have nothing. Nothing me and her have, but through them covetous and bad mind people for no reason. Paula, you know who me attack me, I go text you when me done and tell you.
I would say this is me. I'm not shameful that I voted for Kamala. Yes, I'm black. And I'm not shameful at all for voting for her. One thing I can say is in Georgia, they did change their law for abortion. You have up to 6 weeks. Up to 6 weeks, that's final. And I have heard about a lot of people miscarrying and they're passing away from, well, I'm going to say unaliving. That I'm going to just say that. But I dislike the terms. I don't like the disrespect, the going back and forth. I don't believe in the cutting off. Let people finish saying their statement or asking a question. But I believe I made the right choice. I don't believe in the abortions. I don't believe in anything. No person should have control over another woman's body.
Or another person's body, period.
So anybody, just anybody, man or woman. I don't believe in that. But I'm going to let the next person go.
Okay, I appreciate you, Glenn. Proverbs, go ahead. What you got, baby?
I think like with Kamala, like I feel like a lot of us are upset because of the abortion law, but I think it's deeper than that. You know what I'm saying? Like with her versus Trump and Kamala, it's just deeper. I think we really got to look at all the facts instead of just like one facts. Like as women, we really got to look at all the facts, you know, because I am a mom of 3 girls. So I do have girls, but like we all believe in different things, and we have every right to believe in different things, right? And how we're raised and stuff like that. And I don't believe that they should tell you, you know, have control over our bodies. I don't believe that. That's not what I'm saying. I believe, but at the same time, like it's just like the reason why I voted for Trump is because everything else that Kamala, like that she stood for, that she was gonna pass. So I had to look at all the facts except for just one fact. You know what I'm saying? For one thing, as a woman, in the economy, you really gotta look, because right now we can barely afford gas. We can't even afford food for our kids. Housing is terrible. And this is all under Biden and Harris. You know what I'm saying? So like it's more than that. And then with the illegals coming in, you know, I am Mexican, so before anyone comes for me. But like it's just more than that. Getting help is like really hard. I'm a single mom of 3 girls. Like getting help, it's just like state-wise. I'm in Cali, so I'm in a Democratic state. So state-wise, it's just how it's hard. Like it's hard for single moms. So you really gotta look at all the facts, not just one fact that she stood for. It's like all the facts, everything. Like how the bathrooms were gonna be designed. It's everything. And like that's just terrifying to me. Like as a mom, that's just terrifying. I can't with my kids. Like, and that's the reason why I voted Trump.
Say was, I didn't vote, and it's not nobody's business why I couldn't vote. But y'all touch based on why. But when I seen that Trump won, is that am I gonna get to arguing about it? No, but I'm gonna say that a lot of rights that he is touching, that he's saying he gonna take away or adjust. Reading up on it and doing your history, they actually telling him and sending us letters that it's actually going to be really bad for people that have benefits. And also, I seen a girl in the comments talking about she just mad she gonna lose her food stamps and she got to go back to work. And I feel like that's very inappropriate because you don't know anybody's story. You don't know what anybody went through. You don't know what's going on at all. Yeah, everybody's happy about whoever they voted for. That's not my business. But at the same time, being in the black community is hard enough. I ain't got nothing against nobody. But touching a lot of these rights is going to be really hard for us to get around anything. And it's just sad. That's the point that's getting across. It's sad. And either or was right. She was just doing it for the likes of whatever she was doing, and he just gonna make it worse. Like honestly. And honestly, I feel like that man really does not like black people, honestly. Because what he's going after is exactly what we use. And I don't care what anybody thinks of we use benefits, because where we come from or what happened in our world, we really ain't have many rights in the first place.
Kamala Harris never win the election, but this election reveal and show up a lot of people true personality and how them heart, them mind, and them soul really is. A lot of people main reason for Trump win are to deport illegal immigrants, especially immigrants that was once illegal. The same immigrants will come through the Mexican border, will come on the banana boat, will travel through the Bahamas, will overstay them visiting visa, or them students visa, or them work visa. These are the same people who wish deportation on undocumented and illegal immigrants in America. Oh dare you, like oh dare you. Why would you want to go through the door then close the door for your fellow brothers behind you? Like, is that real? Like, are you for real? Karma is a bitch. I'm not an illegal immigrant, but I'll never ever close the door on my fellow brothers behind me. And for the Jamaicans them in a Jamaica, where wish deportation and the people them where the undocumented or the illegal Jamaicans in America, a lot of uno, me never see uno take a flight outside of Jamaica yet to even the cheapest destination, Dominican Republic. Not to mention, I've never seen a lot of y'all even take Nutserd Express, come to think of it. So the time when you take a come on a phone and speak negativity and speak about a country y'all never experienced, y'all take the time out and go visit Pika in a half a tree and go look about on a passport so you can have a document, can fly out of Jamaica. And these are the same people who always call foreigners phone and I tell foreigners to life out of Jamaica and them a big $30. There's a lot of undocumented and illegal immigrants in America who have a goal-oriented and a contingency plan more than a lot of people with citizenship and permanent residence. A lot of citizens and permanent residents literally beg and borrow from undocumented and illegal immigrants. Like, how do you feel about this? And y'all same one have the audacity come out on the internet and I speak say y'all want Donald Trump win for deport y'all fellow Jamaicans. Like I wanna do it. But this is a big eye opener and I want a lot of people, especially Jamaicans and immigrants in general, open up on the eyes and be vigilant about who no have and surrounding and y'all circle. Because a lot of people heart down pure and their mind corrupt.
What go on, my friend? You done ball it?
Yeah.
Me know you say you ball on your place. Your daughter text me and tell me. True Trump win.
My daughter text you, tell you say true Trump with me about. Be careful.
True?
Be careful, Trump that not for doing me. We never been doing Trump in that go with. Me don't see that.
What make you say that?
Jamaica not ready for woman for rule them.
that is a slogan for a longer time, but people tend to pay a blind eyes for it. So
That's not. And me listen to some persons talk, same the better man for the job right there, so for stabilize the economy and a lot of stuff.
So. Let me tell you this, America has been known as a fearful country. And with a woman at bay, it's like the fearness gone and man feels that they can step over a woman and do certain things. And so when I hear about Trump, people start trembling. I know the whole of the man they will cross the border, a woman from Jamaica. Right now, them are hide and a tremble. They can't vote on it, but in their mind, them a vote last night for Harris. You know what I mean?
That's the point. That them are all back and no bite.
Right, so
You understand?
know people
all
are fretting now.
No bite.
You know? I know people's fretting.
Then
so see playing come back with I hope they not come back come take.
None of them want fret now for fret, you know, because what me sure about they say them they will come up and get trouble at them they are the problem. I have someone come up and I do pure bullshit, then I do nothing for the country. And them I go off. Huh?
Okay, so you look at one them across the border as long as them do then look work and hide. And in a basement.
But yeah, somebody you know. I don't know if you see one something where the man them a fire gun, them a sell drugs. Them a go for because them a mash up the country.
Okay.
But you know want people like them in their country. So I don't know if you go get too bad dog, take up down a yard there, you have to go get your license pie. Because them coming down.
But when
they know from them.
But you know, if they come down, you know, I live at Spanish Town or in a ram for Vanish Clown.
Vanish Clown. But no for them come from Spanish Town too.
Right.
So what you are going to do?
Yeah,
you get trapped. You get trapped right there, sir.
That's how you go, yeah, man. That's what it is to be must. But people are say, oh my, it end times and the Bible are fulfilled and them something there. What?
No,
what?
I mean, I'm not fooling this.
Yeah, me tell the person, say, listen, I don't want you to tell me.
I don't do biblical.
Me straightforward. Me say, listen, don't tell me them, I don't want you nothing about them rubbish there. Somebody win one election and I want to start putting Bible and all sort of something like the world like a hen. It's a hen, guys. This is it. Don't take this thing too personal, man. Don't take it too personal.
No name personal because I don't have time for that.
Right, that's how you figure, man. Somebody have to win, and you know, and the people vote, and there's a lot. You see how the stick, you see how the map red? The map red, you know, fully red, you know.
Me I tell you, you know, see me I text it from last night. Me I text it this. You know why you call me? You say me I text you.
At 2 o'clock when we
when
somebody text me, I'm gonna go up on my phone. Me see Maggie's speech. And I did that. I say rated. See there, I look on it. If I say the 267, and I say the other little state, then I left. Me say yeah. In gone with it. Done. We done.
222, you know, which year? 222.
Then we wrap up quick though. Then it say it's going to be a long date. The result are going to come out Thursday.
Yes, sir. From me see the projector, I know say they don't take no time. My daughter there that good when they don't take no time.
The Bible is fulfilling even if you don't want to see it. Somebody said the Bible are fulfilled even if you don't. Shana, did it fulfill within what? Trump winning the election? Let me know if that you talk about, because that's what we are discussing here. The Bible always are fulfilled. Every day in our life, the Bible are fulfilled. But me.
What do you mean you never said Trump win?
Huh?
Why? So you never see a boy win? No. I mean, I give you the very phone. Oh.
Hey, what's up? Why you console your mother, Kaya? Why you console your mother, Kaya? She not. Okay. More, you console your mother because she not top cry.
I know. She better go sit down.
Yeah. Yeah.
She
Right.
better go sit down.
You guys born in America, right?
No. Where she coming from? She a baby.
Oh, she come from she a baby. This is what I talk about. The people in where like the Americans them. I not talk the one them where Caribbean people were over there 10, 15 years. Like the younger one them were in the system and were born over there. So the real
She grew up in our system.
yeah,
School
them are
and
most
college
vote,
and
most of them come like a Trump them vote for, not Kamala.
No, it's true because at the end of the day, you have to consider the economy. When you're voting for this, it's an economical benefits. If we're voting, I don't know what our policies are, and I don't know what we're voting for. But when it comes to an economic standpoint and where you stand in America and how successful you are, successful people are going to vote for him.
Okay.
Everyone else who wants something to gain are going to vote for her. Mm-hmm. And we need to fix the economy. It has been a shit show for the last 4 years. Wow. So I'm glad he's in power again to fix this.
Okay. Some people did vote for her based on race. Because them try to put race in the thing. Like, oh, she's the first.
He only became a racist when he started running for president. Remember when he had his show, how many black people he put on? And for me, a lot of stuff that he is saying, he just has poor delivery, but what he is saying is not wrong.
Okay, exactly. No, I say a lot of people vote for Kamala based on her she's black and she's a woman. Black. Yeah,
she's a woman. But in reality, y'all wouldn't even know she had a Jamaican dad unless she started running and they start digging into her past because it's not something she acknowledges.
Ooh, wow. Tell them.
She doesn't. She sees herself as an Indian woman, and she always say, "I am an Indian woman." We would have never known her parents or what her parents Jamaican until she started running.
Exactly. I come over here and talk about it already and person say, oh, dear man, you're being biased. She's Jamaican. You're too bad, man. Acknowledge her, Ray. And I say, all right. You make a lot of sense. And this is why I like reason with younger people who have their heads screw on and then I think with emotion. You know what I mean? So, a reality I talk, my friend.
Have a great day.
Yeah,
We're celebrate today.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself.
Celebrate.
All right, big up. But just if you have some smart daughter. Yeah, you can't do nothing. She have a right to vote for who she want, and people need to respect people. I mean, I like when the people and call in and say Trump them and attack them and then something there. You hear what she said? Economic policy. Yeah, so people do what they do because they have them agenda where they want to vote for, and that is it. We just need to respect everybody, and people need to stop this. Low like the world I got this and that.
Listen,
them I got this.
Foolishness, a biblical talk, foolish biblical talk with some people use and brainwash people. Me not like hear them, you know.
And the media, CNN and the whole heap of media, them help spread them propaganda, they help brainwash the people, man. Them channel they alone they watch. But anyway.
Because Billis don't she talk and she in the system every year she grew up here. Because she filed for me. So you know so.
Alright, so I'm going to watch and see but on the things, if things get sour, we come back and talk and laugh about it. I forget sweeter. That's how you go, alright? Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Morning day, man. I like the way that you are engaging your followers in this election. Show me that you care. No, it's not about care, but remember the whole world. If you check every TV outlet in the world last night, BBC have it. I know channel in Canada have it. I know people in the Middle East have it. People in India, people in Africa. I did on TikTok last night and some every channel where's a school that does be elections. It is a school. This a country, like everybody interested. Want to know who will be the leader for the free world. You understand?
Uncle MIXUP boss. I go be to go up on the road, but you are going now. I know all the people in America is a fool, you know. The people who run off up and up your position, you know. They are putting in for them one laws because they are afraid. I said, what Trump said, from what Trump said. Only thing Trump has been saying, you know. The people who in America who don't have no papers so and no green card or don't get citizenship, they have to go home. And he said, man, use police to deport them back home and send them to Chrome. That's what he said. And he said, man, lock down Mexican border. So what do you mean deal? What do you mean and talk about the man say more take social security? No, that no go some MIXUP boss. Because then in the country legally them afraid. Me not afraid. because me straight, me legal. You understand? So me not have to hide. And plus me have me Florida ID. Tell me who me are. You understand? So me have to just tell you. Anyways, me straight up. Look how more me can talk. You come upon me that we talk. You cool. Yeah. People just love talk and love chat. You understand? Who want help patrons? We get help, man. Who don't want to talk, who don't want to talk to me, stay. You understand me? I have Andrew's number on my phone, I have my wife number, I have Chuck number on my phone, I have Camilla, I have Camilla Harris Trump, I have Camilla Harris number on my phone, I have all of them on WhatsApp. It's going to make 2 times no me ever vote for Labour since I did that Jamaica before I come. And when Andrews called back in general election, I come back down there, come vote. You understand? The Labour right see me. Look more. Anyways, Uncle Mix Up boss. Even though my father celebrate through Trump, because Trump said I'm going to lock off Mexican border. That's illegal. Any other illegal immigrant can come in. All who they know so when on the papers and now no green cards and no green card citizen, them have to go home. You understand? All the troublemaker them from in America we give trouble pan TikTok and I call up Andrews them all type of fuckery. Excuse me, this in the language Uncle Mix Up. Them get straight deportation to go home. Because right now the Vice President Trump already put that in place right now. So tomorrow morning, I know the police them up on the hunt so right now. I look for them, can you have them on the computer up here? You understand me? So I just tell you all what go on. Mix Up boss, good morning, you doing all right? I have to congratulate my president and now. We are running the United States of America. Now all about Vice President Trump. And winning uncle. Yeah, the cat is up here. Kamala Harris, a PMP, and Trump a Labour right. Just like my Labour right Prime Minister of Jamaica, you know? Yes, I'm just making know what go on. In company the apartment which my father live, you know. Yeah, and me and him did a whole reason and give me number, you know. Me have him on WhatsApp, you know. Yeah, but when I try to show you know, uncle. Right now, Uncle Mix Up boss, me go get my mother over here in America, you know. Yeah, and because me have Trump number on my phone up on WhatsApp, he put up something in status. Like, you know, like when I have video something and you eat chicken and you eat fries and all type of thing, and them they put up on his status. Me have him on WhatsApp here. Yeah. As me say, he come on the apartment so my father live and me and him the whole reason and give me a number, you know. So I just tell her all I want. And he show some money to the people who run us up on the apartment for my father live, you know. So I just tell her all I want. Yeah. I never ask him for the money still. I tell you honest, God Almighty too, because I have my own problem in America, you know. Yeah, so I just tell her. So all who want to talk. Who don't want to talk to me in a trial less, then can always stay. Yeah, so that's my thing there, you know. Now I no worry me about me. I can't put it on the media still now. I make no worry me about me. I really deal just now. I get my mother over, you know. Yeah, because my mother come first and everything. You understand me? Yeah, so I just tell her. Right now, I put the phone up on charge because I made no 100 in the morning because I made a hurt me, see it. Yeah, look more.
Alright guys, so that a mixed reaction with different people and different you know, we live and we learn and we move on from it and leave your comments below what you think. Are you in fear? A lot of people, different news outlet, but you know, this is our last topic about this. We can change what is to be must be. And tell me what you believe down below. Alright, big up on yourself. $1 Million Man is just a sample joke, man. I mean, I believe nothing when you say so. You know, I just look laugh if you try cheering up. Alright, anyway, I come live, I'm gone.